Hello, hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you have joined me today for my Simple Sunday video. Anything that you see today, if you are interested in purchasing it, I would love to be your demonstrator, and you can go to my store at creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net. Host code, be sure to put that in, is WKADHJQX. And to get all the instructions on how to do today's card, you can, or to get any of the details, you can go to my blog, which is creatingcardswithsherry.blogspot.com. Now this information will be down below this video as well, so that you can refer to it later on. Now earlier this week I told you about our Nourish and Flourish Kit and how you got this nice little lunch box. Isn't that cute? I just think it's so cute. And then along with it came a set of cards, 9 cards, 3 different designs. And today I'm going to do one of those cards with you, and just so you can see how simple it is. This particular set is a non-stamping set, which means all you have to do is assemble it. It's that easy. So if you want something easy for yourself, that's where you want to begin. Okay, and if I pull this out, on the bottom, on one end is it shows you the cards. On the other end, it shows you what things you will need for your card. Whoops, I got that upside down. We're going to be making this one today. But the kit comes with Stampin' Dimensionals, glue dots, and embellishments. And it comes with your sentiments, and they are in 4 different languages: English, German, French, and Dutch. And then it comes with other stickers. This is actually an adhesive thing. You just tear it right off and stick it right on your card. We'll be doing that in a little bit. You'll get some punch outs like that. And it comes with 3 different colored envelopes to choose from for your cards. And then each of these cards is actually embossed. It has a special embossment on it. I'm not sure how well you can see this. This is a leafy pattern. And then we have one that is a geometric design. There we go. And then the one that we're going to be using today is just another, it makes me think of a wallflower pattern. I don't know why, but it does. So this is the one we're going to be using today. So we're just going to get started. All right. Now what I want to do is open up the inside of my instructions, and it's going to show me step by step what I need to do. First of all, I need to take one of these orange strips, and I need to put it in about the center of my card, starting where the fold is and going to the other end. All right, easy enough. That was step 1. Now if I go to step 2, it's telling me to put Stampin' Dimensionals on my sentiment. So I'm going to do that next. Let's see, if I hold it close you should be able to tell, but there's 4 Stampin' Dimensionals that need to go on this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 4 of them on there. And then we're just going to place that on our card as well, just like it shows here. Okay, next it has all the different pieces that I need that I punched out, and we're going to flip them over and put glue dots on the back of them. As you can see, it tells you how many dots go on each piece. So you won't be able to see that as well as I do, but I will walk you through it as I do it. Okay, let's see here. I need this and my take your pick tool, and we're going to get going. The flowers need at least 3 dots. So I'm going to put one here and here. Alright, and this one also needs 3 dots. And this one needs 3 dots. Now let's see here for a minute. I gotta just think about these to make sure I get them correct. Alright. You have to think about how they're going to be placed on the card to make sure that you get your dots and everything lined up correctly. It's not hard to do. You just have to take a moment to see how it's going to fall together. Okay, then I'm going to flip all of these pieces over. I'm going to call these my 3-legged plants and my 2-legged plants. My 3-legged plants need 3 dots. So I'm going to put one there and there and there. And I'm going to do the same on that one. 1, 2, and 3. My 2-legged plants only need 2. So I'm going to go 1. Oh, I take that back. Well, one of them they need 2. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now you can do these where you put the dot on and then move it over to the card, but I like to have them all ready to go, and it's probably easiest to do it that way. So I would suggest doing it that way, but it's totally up to you. All right, then this one I'm going to put 2 dots on. And the other one requires, let's see, where is it? Also 2 dots on. So one will go up this way, and the other one goes about right here. Okay. Whoop. Okay. And now it's just a matter of assembling. So I just look at my picture and I think about where everything is supposed to be placed and I put it on. Okay? Can you see that picture okay? All right. So here we go. I'm going to start with this and this set of leaves. And I know that I want them to fall together like so. So I'm going to flip my other end around here in my pick tool and take these little pieces off. There we go. Then I need, I believe it's this one. Or is it, here we go. That one goes there and this one. Okay. We're going to put this one and our oblong flower, and we're going to put those into place. Oh, want to make sure that it goes right side up. Don't want to do that backwards. And we'll just stick that right in there like that. There we go. Okay, then down below we're going to first put our big flower and our smaller leaf on. Now, just as a reminder, if you choose to purchase this kit, $3 of your purchase will go for food hunger. So this is all part of a campaign that Stampin' Up! Is doing. Okay. Then I'm going to put this one right in between the two. And then we're just going to finish up with these two. Then all we have to do is put our embellishments on. And it's that easy. Oops, oh no, I tore it. Let's see if I can magically put it together. You never know what you can do. Alright, let's see, this one I know will go over this way. So we're going to do that. And then this one will go like this. And like that. Ta-da! All right, and then we just fold it over. We can use our bone folder to crease it and burnish it a little more so it lays a little flatter. And then we're going to take our embellishments and put those on. Ooh. So here we go. Now you can follow exactly the way it shows you on the card, like or on the instructions like I'm doing today. Or if you really want to get your creative juices flowing, you can just put it together any way you want. It's totally up to you. You are the creator, so you put it together. Okay, there we have it. I'm just lucky to know you. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you were able to see how easy and how simple it is to put together a kit like this. And I encourage you to purchase it so that you can be part of the food drive, and also to get a nice little lunch bag if you need one, or you could give it to a friend with some goodies in it. Wouldn't that be fun? So be sure to check out my blog to get all the details of these cards. I'll have everything pictured there so you can see the completed ones in that were all in this kit. Okay, thank you and have a fantastic Sunday. We will see you again on Tickled Tuesday.